Runway ML is the most powerful AI video tool available for professional creators. Hollywood studios use it. Independent filmmakers use it. And content creators use it to produce videos that would have cost thousands to make 5 years ago. In this video I cover every feature, how to get the best results, the Gen 3 Alpha model explained, full pricing, and my honest comparison with OpenAI Sora. Runway ML is an AI video generation and editing platform founded in 2018. It was one of the first companies to offer text-to-video generation. Their Gen 3 Alpha model is currently considered one of the most cinematic AI video models available. Professional clients include major film studios, advertising agencies, and broadcast networks. It offers a wider range of editing tools than Sora: background removal, inpainting, motion control, and video-to-video style transfer all in one platform. Gen 3 Alpha is the flagship, most cinematic quality, best for professional content. Gen 3 Turbo is faster and more credit efficient for quick iterations. Gen 2 is still useful for highly stylized artistic content. Act 1 turns any performance video into animated characters. Motion Brush lets you paint motion direction onto specific elements. Video-to-video applies style transfer. And Lip Sync synchronizes AI-generated lip movement to any audio track. Runway prompt structure for the best results. Start with camera movement, slow push-in, aerial orbit, handheld. Then describe the subject and action. Then the environment and time of day. Then the visual style and color grade. Example: slow push-in on a woman sitting at a cafe window in Paris at night, rain on the glass, warm interior light contrasting with cold blue street light, cinematic anamorphic lens. Camera movement first makes a dramatic difference to the final quality. Free gives 125 one-time credits, enough to test the tool but not for regular use, and exports have a watermark. Standard is $15 a month with 625 credits, no watermark, and 1080p. Pro is $35 with 2,250 credits, 4K, and priority generation. Unlimited is $95 for unlimited generations, best for creators who generate content daily. The honest comparison. Maximum video length: Runway 40 seconds versus Sora 20 seconds. Editing tools: Runway wins by a wide margin with inpainting, motion brush, and style transfer. Quality: Sora has more consistent scene coherence across longer sequences. Speed: Runway generates faster. Price: Runway standard at $15 versus Sora included in ChatGPT Plus at $20. Best overall use case: Runway for editing workflows and professional video production. Sora for storytelling and cinematic scene generation. Start free at runwayml.com, iOS and Android apps in their stores. Documentation at docs.runwayml.com. If you want to compare with Sora, that is at sora.com, all links in the description. Subscribe for more AI video tool guides.